Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing a very simple but innovative kitchen gadget. This is the Crimp It. It allows you to create sealed food parcels in readiness to heat in an air fryer, oven or pan. If you're like me, you completely suck at folding and sealing wraps, this little thing could be a complete game changer. This piece of plastic is taking the internet by storm and I want to find out why. So let's take a look, but to be honest, there's not really much to it. It's made from polypropylene and it doesn't look or feel cheap. It cleans really well and is also dishwasher safe. This is the larger size Crimp It, so it takes the bigger size wraps. Smaller ones are available. You can also use your own pizza dough. The next thing to mention is this little thing going to break the bank? Well, currently in the UK, it's retailing at £14.99p. If you order more than one item from Crimp It, they'll ship it for free. If you're in the UK, go to crimpit.co.uk or internationally, crimpit.com. Your Crimp It will also ship with this little card providing detailed instructions and a QR code which will lead you to an instructional video. Another thing available on our website which sells separately, which I can recommend, is this little book, 100 plus Crimpit Wrap Recipe Ideas. It contains simple recipe ideas for the Crimp It, including meat, vegetarian, vegan and sweet. It's currently retailing on the UK website for £4.99. The most important reason for this review is to see if this Crimp It actually does what it states on the tin. I'm feeling peckish, it's AM, so I'm going to be doing a bacon and egg breakfast wrap. Just before I test this, I want to make it quite clear that I'm in no way affiliated to Crimp It. Okay, let's cook. Right, I do appreciate this isn't a cooking lesson, so I'm just going to pop my bacon in the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 180. While I'm waiting for my bacon to cook, I'm going to scramble 2 eggs and season with some salt and pepper. Try your best to finish cooking your eggs at the same time as your bacon. Okay, we're finished cooked, the teeth are away from me. Let's just place the wrap on top in the centre and we'll go in with some of that delicious scrambled egg. I like mine loose. This is 2 eggs scrambled. Now they're really hot. I'm telling you not to overfill your wrap because it might not seal. In we go. And of course you could add anything you wanted to this. It's entirely up to you. Get creative. The bacon looks a little bit over, but it isn't because it's been sat while I've been setting the camera up, so it's just slightly gone dry. Again, just making sure that this filling isn't going over the edges because it won't seal. On with a cheeky bit of cheddar cheese. And entirely optional, a little bit of sriracha. Beautiful. Now, by following the instructions, I'm going to place this in the microwave for 20 seconds just to get the wrap ready to crimp. Right, it's had its 20 seconds in the microwave. Let's get this crimped. Just fold it over and push down. As easy as that, and there we have what looks like a good seal. Now transfer to an oven and bake for between 8 and 10 minutes. Now carefully remove your little creation to a chopping board. Of course you can also finish off in a hot pan or an air fryer. After experimenting, I found finishing off in an oven works much better. As you can see, this one has held really well after finishing in the oven. Now let's grab a knife, cut in half and reveal the centre. If I dare say so myself, this looks delicious and I can't wait to get stuck into it. For me, the perfect fillings for a breakfast wrap. To the conclusion, do I recommend a Crimp It? Yes, absolutely. Especially if you like burritos, fajitas and all those kind of dinner wraps. But they'll also work just as well for salad wraps for your lunchbox. As for the value, £14.99, not bad at all. As for the shipping, mine was here within a couple of days. In fact, I enjoy using the Crimp It that much, I'll be following this with a series of short videos with Crimp It recipe ideas. Of course, if you already own a Crimp It, please feel free to share your recipe ideas in the comments section. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, do be sure to give it a like and I'll see you soon for some more Crimp It.